Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Oz Espresso Machines. Make sure to check us out on Instagram if you have any more questions or if you want to see more about what we do here at the shop. Just look us up and see what we got. So today we are fixing the Rocket Mozzafiato. This is a heat exchanger PID with a rotary pump machine. Had some issues with pressure. Found out it was a grind setting issue. If you're grinding your coffee too fine, even the best machine won't be able to penetrate the oily coffee. The water just won't go through. So we replaced the screening gasket, and we're just gonna show how this machine works, because we're making videos to our customers who repair with us, and this is also going to be a nice opportunity for you at home to see what's the proper way to pull a shot, or if you have any questions, just drop them down below in the comments. All right, so because this is a heat exchanger machine, I can just pop this out and look at the PID setting down there, and then heat exchanger machines always require some flushing. I just did it before starting this video, but always flush the group prior to pulling a shot. It's gonna help cooling down things a little bit more and make the water more suitable for brewing coffee. And then if I'm gonna look at the gauge, I'm gonna make sure it's went down to 0 for pre-infusion, and I'm gonna be pulling my shot. And let's take a look. So I look at the gauge, we're up to pressure. We have a nice shot of espresso. And we're almost ready. 3, 2, 1. And then close. And let's take a look at what we have here. This is a nice shot. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below, and as always, have a good day.